suppose there is a breast lump here, okay? We have to take a true cut biopsy, right? First, we will localize the lump with 2 fingers, okay? And then we will be giving a, suppose there is a breast lump here. We have to take a true cut biopsy from it. First, we will localize the lump, okay? Then we will take local anesthesia and infiltrate here. Just less than 1 ml it will do. Then we will give a stab to the skin, and then we will load our gun. This is true cut biopsy gun, okay? First, this is a sampling chamber, and this is the cutting sheath. First we will do this, then we will do this, then we will localize it and go through this. Fire from this. There is a button here. Okay. We will like this. We will have a sample here. Then we give it to the sister. She will put into normal line. The one which floats is not the right sample. The one which sinks, that is the right sample. We have to repeat this process at least 5 to 6 times. We need a 5 course, at least 5 course. And that is it.